is turning and you're stuck in your own mind. It's okay to take your time when your heart is racing and anxious thoughts rule your life. You don't have to keep up this fight. Breathe in, breathe out. You're living right now. Breathe in, breathe out. It's alright. You're not broken. We're all healing in this life. The world's wide open. Don't have to run away and hide. You don't have to walk this path on your own. I know that it's hard, but you're not alone. You're not broken. You're alive. Don't worry about the timing when you don't feel like yourself. It's okay.